Explain what we're doing.
All right, so this is a blizzard. This is a really bad blizzard. It's one of the worst snow blizzards Leroy has ever seen in 120 years. So we're gonna take a walk
Here.
in here and hopefully survive.
Hold that. I got him. Don't try.
We're gonna have to take a walk in here and hopefully survive. Look at it.
All right. Let me see the phone. I'll record you.
Here. Going off.
All the trees are creaking
Yeah.
because it's like,
You know what's
I
actually
think it's like 1 degree, but it feels like negative 25 or something like that.
Yeah, it's like, I think it is -1. It's actually -1 here. Even with really thick bugs, it's so dangerous. We're walking in literally the woods. Visibility, basically zero.
Hey, point your light up again. That's cool. All right, we'll be back. This shows how much it's snowing here. Here, you want to take the video?
Yeah, you gotta hold this anyway.
You hold this camera because I don't have a glove.
Hey, Dan, can you, when you're done?
All right, let me see. All right. Try not to touch the screen because it's off.
Alright, so we're back out in the back where really we haven't gone in since 2021.
Here. Let me walk up ahead of you.
It's actually so windy, I actually dropped the phone. Whoa. Look at how much it's snowing. It's crazy, right? It kind of looks like a studio and it's like with the lights and pew, 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 pew. I can't see anything. I can't. Well, I'm looking off into the brush. You can't see anything. All you can see is sticks with snow. As I am very cold. One minute and 30 seconds. That's how long this video has been going on. Hey, we used to have a fort there, but it fell down.
All right. Field doesn't look like nothing.
Can you even see the field? Yeah. You can't see the field at all. You can barely see it.
Here, bud. I'm gonna turn that camera off. All right.
Alright,
We'll be back.
see ya.
Hands are freezing.